Beat the Beast in the Steeplechase is a dynamic map on the web that shows important points along the different routes that migrants use every day to reach the US borders. This application is made for those men and women who use the Beast, the Mexican freight train, to travel long periods of time with limited food and in very bad conditions. Especially since it is well known that migrants' routes are hubs of criminal organizations that take advantage of migrants' vulnerable situation to do several illegal activities. How does it work? The application is a friendly map that displays different useful information for migrants. The default view shows railroad routes, dangerous municipalities, and shelters. Users can select other information layers, for example, dining centers and migration offices. The application allows to see information of each location. For example, by clicking on this shelter, we can see name, address, telephone number, and by clicking on the name, we have access to its website. Since the application was developed to be used mainly by Spanish speakers, it has two language settings, English and Spanish. The language is automatically determined by the browser language configuration. In this case, the browser configuration is in English, but if we change the language to Spanish, the application will show the web content in Spanish. Download data is an important tool that allows anyone to have access to the layers that are displayed in the application. This is very important because, as many of you know, access to georeference data is a challenge. With our application, all the data is available and it can be downloaded as shapefiles or as KML files, which can be displayed in clients like Google Earth. The Adding Data feature allows users to add new shelters easily. This feature can be extended to other layers. In this example, we are adding a new shelter in Durango. Adding new data into the map using a web form like ours makes it easy to keep the website updated. What is new in our project? All information is contained just in one website. It has an user-friendly interface. It allows users to download the data and it is easy to maintain and update. We invite you to use our map and
let's beat the beast in the steeplechase!